Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will extract all the tables from the PDF document and return that inside a list of data frames. For this we are using a library called as Tabula, which is an open source library. So we are taking a very simple example. So we have this PDF file right in the directory itself, and which contains this table, as you can see. So we have a tabular structure of data right here, which inside this PDF document. So if you want to extract this table from PDF, so I've just written the script here. If I execute the script, it will extract the data and save it as a CSV file. So let me just execute the script here, python app.py. So first of all, you just need to install this module, which is Tabula py. So this is the command here. So pip install tabula-py. So once this module installs, you can actually use it inside your Python script here. So now we can actually execute the script here. So you will see total table extracted is 1, and it has been saved to CSV file here. So you can see it has created the CSV file in the left hand corner of the screen. All the data is extracted from the PDF file here. So in this easy way, you can extract tables from PDF really easily and save it as a CSV file. So now let me show you how to use this. So the full script is given in the description of the video. So first of all, you need to import the Tabula package like this, and also we need operating system package as well. And then after that, we just need to read the PDF file by using this module Tabula, and it contains this function which is read underscore PDF, so which reads the actual PDF file. So here you need to provide the name of the file, sample.pdf, pages all. So it will read all the pages one by one, and it takes third option here, multiple tables set to true. So this means that if the PDF contains multiple tables, then it will read all the tables one by one and return them as data frames. So we can print this out here. So if you just execute this, so it will read the actual table from the PDF file and return them inside this data frames here. You can see it is printing out. And now we just need to export this to a CSV file. So it's really easy to do. So here we can print out how many tables are extracted. So we can just execute this length function. So it will return how many tables are there. After that, we can create a output folder. So which will be tables underscore CSV. So then we can make this directory by operating system make directories function. And after that, we will loop through all the data frames here using a simple for loop. And just export this to a CSV file here. So we just give it a file name, and it contains this function here. You can see it contains a series of functions here. Either you can export them into CSV or Excel file. So you can export them into CSV. So this completes the script here. So this Tabula is very simple. You first of all import that, then you simply read the PDF, pass these three arguments, the name of the PDF file, pages, all multiple tables true. So this will extract all the tables from the PDF. So if I execute this, you will see that. So number of tables extracted is 1 and it has been saved to CSV file here. So in this way you can extract tables from PDF inside Python using Tabula, and also check out my website freemediatools.com which contains thousands of tools.